Braised chicken wings and potato in curry sauce. Elliot Chan. Ingredients: 6 chicken mid-joint wings, 2 potatoes, 1 onion, 1 red chili, 1 stem lemongrass, some sliced ginger, some grated garlic, 2 tablespoon curry paste. Seasoning: 1/3 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder. Step by step. 1. Coat the chicken wings lightly in potato starch. Heat a wok and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the chicken wings over high heat. 2. Deep fry the potatoes in the remaining oil over high heat until almost done and golden. 3. Set aside the oil, leaving 1 teaspoon in the wok. Stir fry the onion over low heat. Add curry paste, chicken wings, potatoes, red chili, lemongrass, ginger, and garlic. Stir briefly over medium heat. 4. Add 450 ml of water and the seasoning. Bring to the boil and cover the lid. Turn down to low heat and simmer for 10 minutes until all ingredients are done and tender. Finished. But please do not drop your chicken wings from your fork or chopsticks. Dropped chicken wings are not tasty. Thanks for reading. You've reached the end of the book. Read again.